Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So we are doing this look today. It is this really fun kind of silvery glam look. It's wearable in the daytime because it's stunning. It's wearable at nighttime because it's stunning. So yeah, we're gonna be doing this look. I'm gonna show you how I got this flawless beat. Stick around, we're gonna jump straight into the video. Before we do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join my beautiful online family, and guys, yeah, we'll jump straight into this look. All right, so for this look, I want to use a palette that I have not used in a very long time. If you guys are not familiar with the Sephora Pro palettes, I'm gonna put you on. If you love makeup just as much as I do, you probably already know about these. Of course, sometimes you can get them in store. Most of the time you can get them online. This one in particular, this one is the warm palette. These colors are the bomb. This is such a beautiful palette, especially for a professional makeup artist, but also if you just like a lot of neutral tones and you want everyday type makeup, this palette is really, really good. It's an older palette. I don't know if you can still get this one online, but if you can get your hands on it, it's definitely one to have in your collection. So I've already done my brows. I've prepped and primed my lid. I'm going in with this like khaki color. I mean, this is gonna act as like more so my transition color. I really like the neutralness of this tone because I feel like it just helps me to build on my other shadows. So I've been doing like a lot of neutral tones lately. And I mean, I like the natural look, you know. I do like a little color here and there, but for the most part, I like to do everyday wear looks. I mean, greens and purples, they're not a thing of the past, but I definitely don't do them like I used to. So now I'm gonna build on that shadow, and I'm going in with a darker brown, kind of just below where we put the other color, but definitely in the crease area. I'm gonna focus that shade, and I'm just using a smaller blending brush. Because the main thing is you wanna be able to see the two colors. Kind of like that. Now the biggest thing with this look is I have not used glitter in a long time. So I haven't used anything glittery in a long time, but e.l.f. did come out with these little shadows. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And they're pigmented, but it's like a subtle kind of glitter. So this one is in the shade Finest Fleck. So in order for me to be able to get the most out of this shadow, like pigment wise, I'm just gonna wet my brush, and then I'm gonna go in and dip into this shade, which is going to give me maximum coverage. And I'm gonna start from the inner corners and just kind of doing like a cut crease in a sense. But I'm not worried about it being like too perfect. I just want the color to be more concentrated so that you can see it. And then I'm just gonna build on that color a little bit more, but you guys can see like it's more shimmery than it is glittery, which is not a problem. So before I put this on the eyes, this shade transfers as more of like a champagne color while it's, you know, in the pot. But when it's on, it definitely transfers a little bit more silver in person. And this is honestly one of the easiest ways to do like a cut crease without having to cut your crease with a concealer and then turn around and put color on. So yeah, when you got it together, it looks like this. I am gonna darken like the outer parts just a little bit more right here and here. And I'm just going to kind of go over that shadow just a little bit. I just want to smoke it out. Now I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I am not an eyeliner girly. I will wear eyeliner, but it's not like my first choice when I'm doing my makeup. Today, we're gonna do a little bit of a line with a liquid liner. And I'm not gonna do a wing because, like I said, I don't know, I might do a wing. I don't see the sense in putting this all the way across my eye without doing a wing. What was that? Do y'all see that? It like bubbled up and did something crazy. Probably because I haven't used this liner in a long time. It's old. That's good. Like, I'm not gonna do any more than that because I feel like once you get to going with the eyeliner, it can get out of control real quick. I promise you, I don't know how much I recorded. I am just kind of like, what in the hell? So let me just kind of explain, because I'll have to watch this back and see if I recorded everything. So the foundation that I used for this look, I did the Kat Von D. This is the Good Apple foundation in the shade Tan 66. It is just a very, very beautiful look. It's medium to full coverage, and no, actually it is a full coverage serum foundation. So that's why my skin has like a little bit of a glow to it. And then I went in with my Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer directly under the eye. I did the shade 21.5Y, which has a yellow undertone. That's why it's very brightening in the center of my face. I also did a cream contour, which is the Juvia's Place cream stick. These are not available anymore, but you can do pretty much any cream contour stick, and it's going to do the same job. It just gives me like this overall warm look. And next I'm going to go in, I'm going to do some cream blush because I haven't used these cream blushes in a while. So this one is a shade Pink Lady. It's by Juvia's Place. A little bit of these is going to go a long way because they are super pigmented. So I'm just, ooh, that's probably too much. But that's okay because we're gonna blend it out. See how rosy that is? Such a beautiful blush color. And then I'm gonna blend that side out. So it's like this pink with this blue undertone to it. Again, these can get like really crazy really quickly, so don't go in using a whole lot of them. I'm actually gonna go back in with some more of that concealer and put it under the eye, just because I don't want to lose too much of the concealer with the blush and how bright it is. And then I'll just take the blush and what's left on the brush and continue like blending it out. Alright, for my setting powder, I'm going to be using the Anastasia translucent powder in the shade Banana. Now, the best thing to do is make sure that you haven't gotten any creases under your eye. So definitely set your eyes one by one. That is a very important step because anywhere that you set with powder, with a cream or a liquid, first thing you're going to do is set like any wrinkles or creases. I also like to set around the mouth. That may seem like a lot, but when you have like smile lines and stuff, you want to make sure that that concealer and foundation is not getting into those lines because it's going to be very visible. All right, I am going to be using my Morphe bronzing palette. This bronzing palette is so nice. So I use pretty much these 3 shades. I just kind of custom color everything, but it gives me such a warm bronzy look. And you can probably find this still on the Morphe website. I got it from the Morphe store, but all of them have since closed. I feel like Morphe is trying to revamp their brand, and because they changed all of their brushes and nothing was really wrong with their brushes. I think because of the success of the Makeup by Ariel brushes that they had, they just decided to kind of switch up all of their brushes, which I really honestly didn't think was needed, because I like their older brushes. Like, I own just about all of them, including a bunch of other brush kits. And if you missed out, you probably could still find some of them in TJ Maxx. And I'm just gonna knock off some of that excess powder under the eye, because you don't want it too powdery and bright. And then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. setting spray. This one is the Power Grip. Damn. This one is the Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. I'm down to the last, so it has been used, okay? I do want a little bit of highlighter. Actually, I'm gonna use one of my Anastasia Glow kits, because this one is that glow. I have not used this in so long, and believe it or not, Anastasia has really good highlighters, because I don't want to be too glowy. So I just figured out what has been going on with my camera. A message came up that said the internal temperatures were too high, allow to cool. Well, this is a new camera, so I don't know what the hell that was about, but that was crazy. It just shut off on me. All right, so I'm gonna do a lip combo that I have been wearing for a while. I'm gonna start off with Morphe's lip liner in the shade Bite Me. I'm also gonna be using Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Haze. So I'm gonna start off. My lips has been like super dry lately, but I'm gonna line. And then I'm gonna put that lipstick like in the center. Now this is a very pale color, but I like the ombre look that it gives. And then I'm gonna go in with the Nika K lip gloss. This is, why can't I talk? I'm going in with Nika K lip gloss. This one's in the shade Peach Lion. This one's in the shade Mango. Same thing. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on, because I need the gloss, because these lips is dry, honey. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes, because I don't really like to do eyeliner. And I feel like it looks too bare without it. And guys, that is basically it for this look. So again, I am obsessed with the Kat Von D foundation. This one along with my NARS, these are my 2 favorite foundations, hands down. I cannot live without them. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. The products that I use, of course, is going to be listed below in the description bar. And I will see you guys in my next video. This was like a really cute, kind of glammed out look that anybody could do. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.